Hi, this is Gordon, and I'm here to tell you about this exciting new brew kit from Brew Bros, okay? Now, I am a Michelin-starred chef, okay? I know what I'm talking about, yes? Wow. Oh, hell. What? It's raw? Oh, no. Hey, big boy, listen, okay? Wow.
Nice one, Gordon. Thanks very much. Take care, yeah? Cheers.
Gordon Ramsay, big fan of the channel. Busy guy though. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Hope everyone is well. This is a new one for Brew Bros because we're announcing our range of all-in-one brew kits called Brewery in a Box. These are all available on Amazon UK now. There's 3 kits to choose from. We've got a classic IPA here, which is with pale and crystal malts, plus Citra and Amarillo hops, and tastes lovely. We've also got a tribute kit here to Sharp's ever popular Amber Ale Doombar, which is a tried and tested clone and tastes pretty damn close. And then we've also got a tribute to Punk IPA here, Punk IPA of course by Brewdog. Brewdog kindly have open sourced all their recipes, and that's based on the exact recipe. As you may know if you've kept an eye on the channel, we've done a few kits already, and we'll continue doing kits into the future. We've done an Amazon Brew and Share kit, we've done some of the Brooklyn Brew Shop kits too. We've done our own versions of kits. My first brew was back in December, and that was using a kit bought from Amazon. The beer was okay, if you look back at the video, a little bit cloudy, but it was okay. Those particular kits are generally always out of stock that we found, and also we felt that we could just improve them a bit. So that's why we've come up with the Brewery in a Box. We've added a net to make it easier. We've added some sanitizer. We've added a good set of instructions, plus obviously a YouTube video too. And the real emphasis is on obtaining the best ingredients that we can. And with that in mind, we've sourced malt from Britain's oldest working maltings. And we've got the hops and yeast from a very well-respected merchant established in 1865. We also have available 3 refill kits for these sets, so rather than buying all the equipment, including the keg and the net and the thermometer over and over and over again, they're just the ingredients plus some sanitizer plus a new bung for the keg, which basically means you can keep brewing, trying different beers, and keep knocking out your 4.5 litre batches. We believe it's one of the easiest ways to get into all-grain brewing and a great first step on that journey. These kits are obviously aimed at first-time brewers and those in the early stages, perhaps some who might have done extract before and want to make the progression to all-grain. This is a very good starting point. They're also good for the gift market, friends and family. They are all grain. There's no extract at all. We're not interested in extract kits. You might be starting to wonder by now, oi, Brew Bros, is all you care about the Yankee dollar? It was never our intention to sell anything through YouTube. We just went into it for a bit of fun. And we're still having that fun. Hopefully we'll continue to do so. So really it was just natural progression. I work in events, and obviously over the last year, or at least I used to work in events before they all got cancelled by COVID. Hopefully they'll return, who knows. But yeah, so the last year has been quite quiet. I've had time on my hands, so I thought this was a good project to develop, and hopefully we'll be able to continue developing it.
Hit it!
Each kit will have a demo video on the channel. We'll be uploading them shortly. Apologise in advance if it gets a bit repetitive, but essentially it's just to help people through their first brew with these kits. Thanks as always for the support. It means a lot to us. If you're looking for a kit as a gift for someone who's interested in brewing, then perhaps you might like to consider one of these babies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you cats on the flip-flop.